this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, as you see the title, we're going to be making a dad tumbler. Y'all, I am super excited about this tumbler. I am going to be giving this tumbler to my husband for Father's Day. Now, y'all know Father's Day is, when is Father's Day? Like the second, I think it's the second Sunday in June. So we still have about, what, 3 more weeks, I think? Something, yeah, about 2 or 3 more weeks. But we're going to go ahead and get started early. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you how to make this tumbler using my template. Now, I'm going to be taking you to my website because my website is up. I am still adding products to my website, but I have a lot of digital products already over on my site. Now, let me just explain to you what a digital product is for the ones of you who don't know. So a digital product is something that once you go to my website at IeashaDesignedIt.com, you click on digital products. Now, when I show you how to go and grab this dad template, once you purchase it, it will bring you to where you put your email address in. So whatever email address that you put in, that is where your digital download will go. So just say, for instance, you use my email address, which is Ieasha at IeashaDesignedIt.com. So if I use that email, then the design will come to that email address. Now, if I use another email address, it will come to that email address. So make sure when you go over to my website and you purchase this dad template or any templates that you see over there, because y'all, I have created some amazing templates, so make sure you go and check them out. Once you purchase the template, put whatever email address that you want the template to go to, because the email address that you put in is exactly where your digital template will go. Now, this is an instant download. Once you purchase, it comes straight to your inbox. Okay, I mean, it comes straight to your email address, which is your inbox. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So what we're going to be doing again is making a tumbler. Now, I have this 20-ounce tumbler right here, y'all. Do you see this? Now, this is a sublimation tumbler. Remember, when you're doing sublimation, you have to have a sublimation coating. All right. So this is the HTV Ront tumbler. Now, everything that I will be talking about right here, I'm going to link it in the description box. Also, make sure you go and check over in my Amazon store, because I have a section for crafters. I have a section for, I think it's crafters and creatives. So make sure y'all go over and check it out, okay? All right, so first of all, I'm going to take you to my website. We're going to go on over and grab this dad design. All right, everyone. So what I did, I went here to my website, which is IeashaDesignedIt.com. So that's all you have to type in. Now, once you get over to my website, you will see my logo right here, Ieasha Designed It. Okay, so what you do, you can come right here to where it says Shop Collections, come down to Digital Template Downloads, click it, and come right here to where it says the Digital Products Collection. Now, I have some digital products up on the grad collection, so you can click that also if you want, but we're going to go here to where it says the Digital Products. So once you click on that, it will give you information about the instant downloads, and when you come down, you will see all of the instant digital templates that I have here. Okay, these are all the ones that I have on here so far. And remember to grab your Sublimation for Beginners ebook. All right, you want to make sure that you get this ebook, because this is a game changer in your business. But today's video is all about this template right here. Now, I do have another dad template. This is a mock-up. Now, this one here is for t-shirts. So if you are going to do your dad a t-shirt, then you can come and grab this mock-up right here. Let me click on it. Come here, click on it. And as you click on it, it will give you information over on the right-hand side about it. This is a drag and drop template. And this right here is just an example of how it will look once you put your pictures in. Okay? This is just an example. So just say, for instance, you want this, you just go here to put how many quantities you want. You do add to cart. Now, I do have Shop Pay, After Pay on here. and I think it's PayPal, but you do have some payment options also. So let's go back to the Dad Tumbler template. Now this is the Tumbler template. This is the one that works for the Tumblers. So it's a drag and drop template also. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click it. And once I click it, you can read over here about the information. It comes up here, and all right, so this is an example of how it looks with the pictures. Super cute, right? So what you would do, you would go here, just say you want 2, you would put 2, 3, 4, how many quantities you want, and you would just press on add to cart. Once you press on add to cart, it will come here. So what you would do, come down to where it says checkout. And once you come to checkout, you can either do express checkout. It says show more options, okay? And you can come on down here and put in all of your information, okay? You can put in your phone number, you can put in your card number, all of this information, credit card information. You can choose PayPal, you can choose Shop Pay, you can choose Afterpay. Now, y'all, I'm gonna tell you, Afterpay is amazing, okay? I love me some Afterpay. Okay, and then come down and put all of your billing address, and then you can put all this information here, and then you click Pay Now. Okay, so over here on the right-hand side, it will tell you about the templates that you have, and how many that you have and how much it costs right there. So that's what I wanted to show you. And this template is $9.99. So y'all getting a steal of a deal for this template. Yes, and I created all of these templates here that you see. So you have graduation templates, you have dad templates, you have the grad mock-up bundle here, you have the party favor bundle, and like I said, the ebook. And I'm still adding things here and different products that I would have on my website. So y'all, I just wanted to show you that. So let's go ahead and get into making this template. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and print out this dad template. I'm using my Epson ET8550 sublimation printer. Remember, you still have to use sublimation when you're doing these templates, because when you put the pictures in there, you know, there will be a sublimation design. So I'm going to take this, and this is what's going to be on my tumbler. So you will need your tumbler, you will need your template, you will need your heat tape, and of course your design right here. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to be placing a picture in this very first letter right here. Now I'm going to be placing it right here for my oldest daughter. And see, you can't see her entire face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on the actual letter. Let me bring you in a little closer so that you can see. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to bring her the picture, the actual picture right here, over a little bit, just to get her face into the frame. So I like that. So I'm going to take it and I'm just going to click off just like that. So now you see her face is in the frame. The flowers that I made her is in the frame. Okay, this is my my other daughter. She is in the second one that we did, you know, the first time. So now I'm going to add my my baby, the baby twin. So now I'm going to go find a picture, and I'm just going to drop it into that letter just like I did the first two. All right, so I have found one of my babies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it. Now this is one that they took during their 5th grade graduation. I have to update my pictures, y'all, but I'm just going to take one of the twins out because I already have her picture, and I'm going to use her picture. So what I did, I just cropped it just like so. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and I'm going to drag and drop it just like this. So as you see, her face is being shown here, but I want to see if I can get a little bit more of her face within the frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on it. Okay, double click just like this. Take it and pull it down. Let me see if I can pull it over. But if I pull it over, that will show. All right, so let's see. Okay, so I think that's perfect right there. So I'm gonna click off, and as you see, her face is shown. So that's how you drag and drop, y'all. All right, so first of all, you have to print your design. Now, what you see me doing right here, I am using rubbing alcohol. Now, alcohol is something that I use to wipe my tumblers down. Some people may use something different, but this works for me. Plus, alcohol is very cheap. And as you see, I have a paper towel. Just wipe any fingerprints or debris off. Now, what you see me doing here is just taking the dad design and just wrapping it around the tumbler. Remember, you can get the dad design on my website at www.ieashadesignedit.com. Now, what you will do is take your heat tape and apply your design. Apply the heat tape to your design. Remember to check out my Amazon storefront. All of the items will be listed in my Amazon storefront. All right, so now what you would do is just take your tumbler and just put your tumbler in the tumbler press, or if you have an oven, you can use an oven also. All right, and what I do, I just turn my tumbler over to make sure I get an even press. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and take the paper off and see what our tumbler looks like. Y'all, this is absolutely amazing. So what I did, make sure you use your butcher paper also. I forgot to tell you about the butcher paper because I use butcher paper to keep the ink from coming off on my tumbler press or my heat press. And this time I just took the butcher paper and put heat tape on it to tape it down so that it wouldn't come off. But y'all, look at this. Look at this as I am taking this paper off. This tumbler is super cute, and you know Dad would love this tumbler. Look at there, y'all. I am giving this to my husband with all three of our girls' pictures on it. So I hope that you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will be back with more videos. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Peace. Pedestrian deaths in the U.S.